Hi Pete. I'm going to try and catch one of the fish eating. Just put a bit of food in. They seem to be getting used to the new shower, sprinkler, I don't know. Call it what you want, but it was free, and they seem to be happy. I just wish my big girl had come up. Here she is. Come on, big girl. Come on. Here she comes. Never been one for catching fish on hooks, but I don't know, I think she's probably about 4.5, maybe 5 pounds. Yes, how'd you do? There she is. Had her from a baby, surprisingly. She managed to survive about 6 winters with me. Pond's not heated, and we're in wet Wales. And we get plenty of rain. No need to top your pond up. Nature does it for us over here. Anyway, there's me fish, and there's me sprinkler again. So, hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions, just tag them on and I'll try my best to answer for you. Anyway, take care people. See you again. Alright, Serge. Serge the Sturge. Here he goes. Right, that's it. We're out of here. Bye now.